How to win Nobel Prize in Economics. The Nobel Prize in Economics is one of the most prestigious awards in the field, recognizing individuals who have made significant contributions to the understanding of economic phenomena. In this video, we'll discuss the steps you can take to increase your chances of winning this coveted prize. Step 1. Get a solid education. The first step in winning the Nobel Prize in Economics is to get a solid education in the field. This typically means obtaining a PhD in economics and studying at a top-ranked university. This will give you the foundation you need to conduct original research and make groundbreaking discoveries. Step 2. Conduct original research. To win the Nobel Prize in Economics, you'll need to conduct original research that makes a significant contribution to the field. This may involve developing new economic theories, conducting empirical studies, or developing new methods for analyzing data. Step 3. Publish your research. In order for your research to be considered for the Nobel Prize, you'll need to publish it in reputable academic journals. This will give other economists the opportunity to review your work and build upon it. Step 4. Network and collaborate. Networking and collaborating with other economists can also increase your chances of winning the Nobel Prize. Attend conferences, participate in seminars, and form research partnerships. This will give you the opportunity to share your ideas with other experts in the field and receive feedback on your work. Step 5. Be persistent. Finally, remember that winning the Nobel Prize is a long-term goal that requires persistence and hard work. Don't get discouraged if you don't win the prize right away. Keep pushing yourself to make new discoveries and contribute to the field of economics. Winning the Nobel Prize in Economics is a highly prestigious achievement, but it takes time, hard work, and dedication. By getting a solid education, conducting original research, publishing your work, networking, collaborating, and being persistent, you can increase your chances of winning the prize. Remember, the most important thing is to keep learning and contributing to the field of economics, regardless of the prize.